Hi y'all. So here we are at ASAP, also known as Animal Shelter Assistance Program, also known as the Cat Shelter. And this is one of our outdoor runs. There's 3 of them, and they even have tunnels that go out for other areas, or we can shut the door and have separate areas. And this room I'm in right now, this run, is where these 4 kitties live at the moment. They are what we call tiny lions. And we have tiny lions are shy kittens that need extra socialization. And we have specially trained tiny lion tamers that work with them. Yes, you can come in my lap, baby. To work with them to learn that people aren't that so scary after all. And as you can tell, these guys are pretty close to graduation. I didn't just walk into a room with feral kitties. We don't really use the word feral because it's misused. But I didn't walk into a room of scaredy cats that suddenly came right up to me. They've had tiny lion tamers spending a lot of time and effort working and playing. Play is one of the best ways to get through to them. This is the shyest of the 4. And you're not shy. But a little bit of play, he comes right around. Huh. Yes, I know, you're so sweet. And excuse the rattling, that's someone using the bathroom. Who's tying pellet litter. Anyway, it's a great program, the Tiny Lions. We use baby food on sticks or long spoons to get them. They love baby food. So donate baby food to your local shelter. Oh, sorry. I made a noise. Anyway, that's the main way to break through, and gradually we pull the spoon closer and closer till they're licking the baby food off our fingers. And then play is my specialty. When they play, they forget they're scared. And that's the main. Here's the other one. He's not shy, he's just in his own world. Anyway, yes, pretty girl. Let's go see other cats here in a minute. What do you say? So this is the Kitten Row. And this time of year, there's so many kittens. They're overrun with kittens. And this is a bonded pair. That means they need to go together. They don't do well when they're separated. Some of these guys are tiny lion graduates too. Like this pair. Rolo and Minto. Hi. Let me focus on that face. There we go. Hi. And all the babies. Yes, I know. Yeah. Tell them. Yeah. Hi, cuties. And we have older kitties. cat. Margaret is an older, no, not too old, but looking for a foster home. And this is Millie, who just wants out of the cage to run around the floor. But you can't, Millie. There's a URI outbreak. That's upper respiratory infection. Oh, there goes the phone. Also known as kitty cold. Huh. So, no kitties on the floor. Don't eat that. So, some of the cats, because of the URI outbreak, can't be pet right now. And this is the towels are to prevent sneezing and spreading germs. Poor baby. They're very pretty though. Yeah. So this is the Tiny Lion Row with kitties in various stages of socialization. This one's very playful. I just went through earlier and made sure everybody had toys. And they love the toys. Huh. Yeah. Oh, you like the camera, huh? Yeah. It's Tesla and Ford. Look at this toy. You gonna get it? I'm just doing my kitten selfies. Oh, let's get the toy. You're showing off, huh? You're showing off for the camera. And check out this face. Look at that. Look at the sibling. Oh, big yawn. Look at those eyes. Look how pretty. See the tipped ear? A lot of rescue groups. Tip ears of cats from colonies. So they know that one ear is for spay and one ear is for neuters. That way they don't get trapped and taken back to the vet again. Then there's also a sick bay. When cats get too sick and need special attention, we don't want to spread anything. Looks like there's a couple in there. And then ISO is for more serious things. Usually it's ringworm. And there's no ringworm kitties. Yay. And we have a new arrivals, which is for all cats when they come in, get it at least 48 hours to adapt and calm down before they're assessed by the behavior team. They're also assessed by the medical team, and they have to be cleared by both before they become adoptable. We work with the scaredy cats just like the tiny lions, and we clean poopy litter pans. And here's surgery. I could hold you up to the window, but you can't see nothing. So we have our own surgical suite, and washers and dryers. Everyone wishes they could have at their own home. That's the washer. You don't even have to add bleach or detergent. It's automatic. In the giant dryer. It's pretty well organized. So this is the shelter. If you have a shelter near you, make sure you go visit. Volunteer, donate, foster. Just stop by and pet the kittens. Or even better, the older cats, because they need attention. But yes, the kittens are photogenic. And they're brats, huh? Yeah. What are you purring at? Don't purr at me. No, you can't eat the camera. Hold on. Yes. You're spoiled. Spoiled. Meow. Okay. Thanks for watching, y'all. And I'm gonna miss these guys. Have a great day. Meow.